Hello, welcome to FarmztoFamiliez channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how I prepared prawn masala parcels. This prawn masala parcel is a side dish which can be served with parathas, biryani, or even dosas. In today's recipe, we'll be using FarmztoFamiliez cold pressed groundnut oil. To order our cold press oils, batters and baked goodies, do contact us on our WhatsApp. All the products are delivered to your doorstep. For more information, you can visit us on our website. The website link will also be listed in the description box below this video. For this recipe, I'll be using peeled and deveined prawns. We'll be using Sambar masala powder, Garam masala powder, chili powder, turmeric powder and dried red chilies. We'll also be using coriander, which is finely chopped, curry leaves, slit green chilies, thinly sliced garlic, finely chopped ginger and lime, finely chopped onion. To prepare this recipe, we'll also require banana leaf and groundnut oil. All the ingredients mentioned in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. We'll prepare the prawn masala first. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok, we'll be adding groundnut oil. Allow the oil to smoke. Once the groundnut oil has smoked, add dry red chilies, finely chopped onion, fry for few seconds, add finely chopped ginger, thinly sliced garlic and slit green chilies. Fry all the ingredients till the onion turns transparent and the raw flavor from the ginger has reduced. Now the onion and ginger has fried. We'll be adding the masala or spice powders. We have added the coriander and curry leaves. We'll fry all the ingredients till the raw flavor has reduced. We'll be adding prawns and salt as per taste. We'll fry the prawns only for few seconds in the masala. We need to bake them in the banana leaf. If you fry the prawns too much, it will turn to be rubbery. Fry the prawns for few seconds. Switch off the flame. Add few drops of lime juice. Now the prawns is ready to be parceled and roasted in a pan. I've chopped the banana leaf in half and layered the banana leaf. Transfer the prawn masala on the banana leaf. Fold both ends and fold it again to prepare a parcel. Using a thread, we'll tie the parcel so that it doesn't unravel while we fry it on the tawa. We can also bake these parcels at 180 degrees in an oven. Once the parcel is secure, I'm going to cut the twine. The parcel is ready. It can be fried on a tawa. We have heated a tawa on low to medium flame and added groundnut oil Once the groundnut oil has heated all the way through, we'll place the prawn parcel and fry it for 5 minutes on each side. All the ingredients used in this recipe, along with measurements and a detailed recipe, will be listed in the description box below this video. Do like us and follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, website for more information on our products. At this point, our prawn parcel has fried well. We fried it for 10 minutes on low to medium flame, and we have served the prawn parcel as hot as possible. The reason we prepare the prawn in a wok first and then bake it in a banana leaf is to enhance the fragrance and the taste of this masala. This masala pairs very well with parathas, pulao, and even dosas. The prawn masala parcel is ready. We have served it as hot as possible. Do try this recipe and post your comments. Visit us on our website or call the WhatsApp number on the screen for more information on our cold press oils, batters and baked goodies. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.